Find a place far from city lights. A place where the darkness feels deep and true. Now look up. On a clear, moonless night, you will see it. A faint glowing band stretches across the heavens, a soft river of milky light arching from one horizon to the other. It looks ethereal, almost painted onto the cosmic canvas. For millennia, humanity has gazed upon this celestial feature, giving it names born from myth and legend. It is a sight that connects us to our ancestors, who looked at the very same band of light and felt a profound sense of wonder, a quiet stirring of curiosity about our place in the grand scheme of things. What you are seeing is not a cloud. You are looking into the heart of our own home. The Milky Way, edge on, its disk glowing with the light of billions of stars. We are inside it, a tiny part of its structure, like a single grain of sand on a sprawling beach. Let's get our terms straight. What exactly is a galaxy? In simplest terms, a galaxy is a massive, gravitationally bound system of stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gas, dust, and dark matter. Think of it as a cosmic city. The stars are the individual buildings, each one a sun, many with their own planetary systems. Gas and dust are the raw materials from which new stars are born. Gravity is the invisible framework holding the metropolis together. There is no one-size-fits-all. Galaxies come in spectacular variety. Most familiar are spirals, like our Milky Way and Andromeda, pinwheels with bright central bulges and graceful arms. Ellipticals, giant diffuse ovals or spheres, home to older stars and little gas for new ones, the quiet, old money neighborhoods. Irregulars are rebels, chaotic shapes, often disrupted by larger neighbors. These battlegrounds can blaze with furious bursts of star formation. Our sun is one among hundreds of billions, tucked in a quiet suburb, the Orion Arm. Our home, the Milky Way, spans roughly 100,000 light-years. A light-year is the distance light travels in a year. Light races at about 186,000 miles per second. That's nearly 6 trillion miles. To cross the Milky Way, 6 trillion miles, 100,000 times over. Large spirals like ours host 2 to 400 billion stars. 400 billion. And the Milky Way is just one among an estimated 2 trillion galaxies. Multiply them, and the number dissolves into a string of zeros. There are likely more stars than grains of sand on every beach and in every desert on Earth. Our nearest large neighbor, Andromeda, appears as a faint smudge, 2.5 million light-years away. The light you see began its journey long before modern humans walked the planet. You see Andromeda as it was. Every telescope is a time machine. Looking out is looking back in time. Galaxies are not static islands floating in an empty void. They are dynamic, evolving entities, constantly in motion. Our entire solar system orbits the galactic center. We hurtle through space at about 500,000 miles per hour, yet one lap takes roughly 230 million years. Last time we were here, dinosaurs were just beginning to roam the Earth. Galaxies gather in groups and clusters. We are a leading member of the local group, over 50 galaxies strong. Galaxies can and do collide, slow, graceful, and powerful, not explosive, because stars are so far apart. Gravity stretches and distorts disks, flinging streams of stars and gas, triggering brilliant starbursts. Andromeda is currently racing toward us at roughly 250,000 miles per hour. In about 4.5 billion years, our galaxies will begin their majestic merger, settling into a larger elliptical some call Milkomeda. If our descendants are still around, they will witness a transformed sky, ablaze with newborn stars. The universe is not finished. It is a work in progress. So, where does that leave us? We are inhabitants of a small, rocky planet orbiting an unremarkable star, tucked away in a spiral arm of one galaxy among trillions. This can feel humbling, even disorienting. Yet the fact that we have pieced this story together testifies to human curiosity and mind. The carbon in your cells, the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, were forged in massive stars that lived and died long before our sun, their explosions seeding the galaxy with life's elements. Think back to that soft, glowing band. It is a river of suns, a cross-section of our home, a visible connection to billions of other worlds, to fiery nurseries, and to the supermassive black hole at our galaxy's core. That light is a message from the past and an invitation to keep asking questions. The universe is not just out there, it is in us.